Stop struggling with AI that changes your character's face every time you hit generate. Today, I'm showing you how to maintain consistent anime character designs using PixAI. PixAI is currently the best platform for this because it's built specifically for anime, not just adapted for it. So, let me show you around. Simply head over to pixai.art, and if you're trying to use it in some other language, you can go ahead, click on this button right here, change the language to whatever you'd like. Next up, we need to sign in. I'm going to create an account using Google, and I recommend that as well because that's the easiest way to sign up without any hassle. As soon as you land in, you'll be given 10,000 credits and you get 10,000 credits daily if you log in. Now you need to complete this setup where it will ask you your gender, your favorite character, the kind of or the style of anime that you watch, etc. So I'm going to do that and then choose a character that I like. You can even skip this if you'd like, and after this it will ask you what is your prompt style, whether you're just going to use natural language or are you going to use tags. So you can choose that. I'm going to select natural language, and lastly you'll have to create a unique username. So that's done. It will create your first AI creation, and for me it has created a Pikachu. So now it's time to actually have a look inside our platform. Now you can enter in a prompt over here to start the generation, or you can go to the generation tab, which is specifically for creating or editing images. Now in your generation tab, this is where you'll enter in the prompt, and each image generation takes 1200 credits, so keep that in mind as well. What I have in my mind is a futuristic princess with long silver hair. Let me just add it into the prompt. So these are the things that I have in my mind. But in case you're trying to generate a keyword specific prompt, all you have to do is type in something after a comma if you're typing more than one word, and then you can go ahead, start typing the word that you want to add. Like I want to add ethereal if that's a keyword, but it is okay, so I'm going to add that, and just like that you'll get suggestions and you can simply choose from them. So that was how you can write prompts. Next up, if you're writing vague prompts or you want some detailing to be added automatically, you can turn on this prompt helper and this autocomplete for the shortcut that appear the drop down of suggestions that came up. In case you're annoyed by that, you can turn that off as well. If you want, you can add in a reference image, and now in your sidebar you can see the model that will be used for your image generation. Right now it is Haruka V2, but you can choose some other as well if you'd like. I want to try Hoshino version 2, so I've changed to that. If you scroll down, you can find the aspect ratio of your image, and you can set exactly exactly what would be the aspect ratio, whether it will be portrait or landscape, by clicking on this. And if you want, you can even add custom size of your image by selecting this setting button right here. I'm simply going to keep it 9:16, and then you have the option to change the number of outputs. Right now it's at batch 4 in case you want to save up some credits and create more images, which is what is recommended. If you're just testing out this application, then you should just create single image instead of batch of 4. Now that's all the setting we need to know, and we can go ahead generate the image now. Now this is the result for our prompt right here. It's a futuristic princess with silver hair. Now you can do multiple things with it. You can either download it. If you want, you can edit a few things in the images. Like if you want, you can change the background of the image, the color of the clothes, but we already added that in prompt, so still you can change it by clicking on this edit button. Or if you want variation, just click on this button, and if you want, you can use this as a starting point to create video out of your anime image. All you have to do is select image and choose this image right here. Then go ahead, select the model of your video generation. Then here you'll describe the prompt, which will have the subject, what kind of environment do you want, the background, the action that the subject would perform, etc. Right now I'm on the free plan and it takes 28,000 credits to create a video, so I'm just going to leave it at that. I'm not creating a video. Now let's go back to our home page and talk about all these things in the sidebar. So here you'll see models right below our generation tab. So if you go ahead, check it out, you'll see all the different LLMs model that are available to create anime. You can even generate your own model or train your own model if you'd like. Basically, to lock in the consistency, we use LoRa's. If you click any of the model, you will be able to see this train your own LoRa button, which will let you add that model into your training. Now this model will act like a stencil that keeps the AI from wandering too far from its original design. Other than that, you have the toolbox right here, which lists out all the different tools, and these are by PixAI and they can be really creative and useful for you. Like, check out this tool right here. It's a character sheet generator where all you have to do is upload an image of your character. I'm just going to use the image that was generated by us right now, and then it will break down the character into a cheat sheet like this, which includes its outfits, different faces, etc. I'm not going to generate it because it's 8,000 credits, but you have other tools as well, like creating a hero card generator, and you can check out the examples over here, as well as if you scroll down, you'll see artworks created using the tool itself. So all you have to do is upload the character image, maybe give it a name, and then it will create a card like this. So take your time, feel free to explore all the different tools, check out the examples that are there, and there are also video generator tools in there. Besides that, in your homepage you can explore different images and videos that are created using all the different models that are available for all the members to see. So that's basically how you create consistent characters using PixAI. And rest assured, because this website is only for anime, all you need to do is have the right idea in mind and your anime character will be created. So comment down below what sort of anime character do you like, and I'll see you in the next one.